going to visit one of the most beautiful beaches here in Krabi. It is called Railay Beach. And the only way to get to Railay Beach is by boat. So right now we're going to make our way over to the pier, try to see if we can get some tickets to take the boat over to Railay Beach.
But first of all, I was going to give you a quick tour at the place that we're staying at. It is called the B2 Premier Hotel. It is right next to the cars. Beautiful staff. The staff have been really helpful. They do have a 24-hour cafe in the front lobby, so that's really nice.
Pretty cool.
It does come with breakfast, or the plan that we selected came with breakfast. And yeah, they have a nice pool area, nice courtyard, and just our room has been really nice. Yeah, so with the nice view of the cars and the jungle in the back. So
yeah, it has a balcony. It has like a little work desk on the side. And yeah, the grounds are very beautiful too. It has a really nice pool.
Yeah.
And
yeah, would you recommend it?
Totally.
Yeah, it's nice and peaceful. It's quiet. It's kind of away from the main road. So yeah, definitely recommend it. But anyways, guys, we'll get going on the road. So we're gonna go over to Anang Beach area, get the tickets from there, and then I believe the boats leave from the Tara Beach. So supposedly it's gonna be around a 10 to 20 minute boat ride. So let's see.
Let's go.
So we bought the tickets. They do have a free shuttle service over to the pier, but none coming back. So
if you have a scooter, it's better to just drive over to
just drive over, kind of follow the shuttle, just so we have a ride going back. Otherwise, you might have to most likely catch a taxi or some type of tuk-tuk going back.
We've made it here to Railay Beach. Finally, it is a beautiful, wide open ocean combined with like the beautiful backdrop of the limestone karst.
Yeah.
There's a bunch of people out here, lots of boats actually here on the shore.
It's a beautiful day. It happens to be a sunny day today.
Yeah.
Compared to yesterday, we were kind of caught up in the rain and all of that. It was pretty easy to get off the boat. It is shallow today, so about knee-deep waters just getting off the boat. Boat ride was pretty smooth. Yeah, it was. I mean, it was fairly short too, so around 10 minutes.
Yeah.
There's so much to do here. First of all, we're gonna go check out the town. Supposedly there's a lot of restaurant options. Though the price, we have spoken to a few fellow travelers, and they said the prices could be around 4 to 5x. So we'll find out ourselves.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
But actually the boat ride here was very scenic.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, and I think for 200 baht each round trip.
Round trips, yeah.
It's definitely worth it.
Yeah, so it's 100 baht going, 100 baht coming back, which is not bad at all. Yeah. I feel like you guys should plug this into your itinerary while out here in Krabi. First impression of this place, really nice white beach, as you could see behind us. So we're gonna go ahead into the island, kind of check out what it has to offer.
You can't come to Railay Beach and not take a dip. So Waseem and I are about to go in and enjoy Railay Beach. just passed through the main town of Railay Beach, and it seems like there's a lot of restaurants, cafes, lots of weed cafes.
Yeah, surprisingly, yeah, it's a lot of them. Yeah,
and it is definitely on the pricier side because things compared to Ao Nang are a bit pricier. Like a smoothie in Ao Nang would cost you around between 30 to 50 baht. Here it's 75 to like 80. So there's beauty salons, like a regular mani-pedi would cost you around 200 on Ao Nang Beach, but here it was like 300 to 400. So it just depends. Some people just choose to do a day trip here. Some actually come here to like spend a few nights. We're making our way down to Pranang Beach. So there's east and west Railay Beach. There's Pranang Beach and then Tonsai Beach, which you actually have to take a ferry to kind of get to, but we're able to walk to Pranang Beach, so we're doing that. It's about like 16-minute walk from the front of Railay Beach where you get dropped off at. So I think we're almost there.
This is the main jetty for the East Railay Beach. So much better than the kind of getting off in the front where you gotta get off in the water. But the front side kind of has more of the sandy beaches, the white sandy beaches, and then the back end is more like mangrovey, swampy. So yeah, not the place to be swimming at. It's the front. So this is the East Railay Beach.
So we are passing through the Pranang Cave here. It looks incredible.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know if we can go in there, but like just the shape of it and it looks so nice.
Yeah. Huh?
Feels a little scary.
Yeah.
Scary cave system because you know, like this tunnel where they kind of go in and you know, it's totally dark back there.
Oh wow.
Yeah, but it's really nice. Like I've never been able to go inside a cave.
Yeah.
This is cool. It's huge, but it's small enough so you kind of experience it and then go over to the beach.
Keep going. Wow. We're bats, officially bats.
Yeah, that was so cool. It got so narrow inside. Ooh. Wow. You guys should try it. You have to come in from one side and then just go through the tunnel and come out.
I kind of have to dodge like this big sharp one.
Yeah.
And then squeeze in.
It's not bad at all.
Interesting. Nice little experience.
Now, first impressions of Pranang Beach. Yes, and yes. It is so much prettier than Railay Beach with fewer people here. Yeah, it's so nice. And then I guess when the tide is low, you can kind of walk across over to the other
cars that's kind of coming out from the ocean.
Yeah.
Definitely getting to Pranang Beach, you have to walk through the town inside, inland, and then be able to get access to the beach. But the one that we're talking about is kind of like a sandbar connecting all the way over. Very nice. I feel like we should try crossing it.
Yeah, and the water looks nicer here for some reason.
This one's pretty interesting. I'll let Shafeen tell you guys the story.
Even though the more apt person to tell that story is Waseem, I'll go ahead anyways. So Pranang Beach is actually known for fertility, but then people also come here to ask for two things, which is one for good fertility, and then the second one is for catching fish. The fishermen come here to also pray to the goddess who is believed to be residing in the cave. So yeah, they come to give their offerings, and then and the phalluses you see is for fertility here.
Offerings.
Yes, those are the offerings.
Pretty bizarre in my opinion.
Yeah, it is.
If that's the local thing to do, then yeah, why not?
Yeah, that is their belief and it's their custom. So they come and do that here. Very interesting to see.
Yeah.
bewildered to say.
Very bewildered. Yeah.
Oh. Yes.
Let's go ahead and explore the beach.
Yeah. I'm correcting myself here. We just read that she isn't a god, she is Indian. And it's a sacred place.
Yeah.
So couples here come here to ask for fertility, and then fishermen come to ask if they could catch more fish.
Yeah. And supposedly it is tied to the Hindu religion.
Yes,
yeah.
Lord Shiva.
Lord Shiva, yeah.
Yeah,
so.
the lingam. So
yeah.
it all may be confusing for first timers, but it is what it is. It's cool to be here, and we're gonna go enjoy the beach.
Yeah. This beach, El Pass, kind of got wet earlier on, but Shafeen's gonna give it a go. Yeah? All right, see you in a bit. Guys, that's it from us here at Railay Beach. Thanks for coming along.
Yay!
Yeah.
We had so much fun today. We hope you guys get to come here. Everything, all the details will be linked down in the description below. I'll write a whole blog post about it so you guys are well informed before you get here.
And remember guys, wherever you go,
don't forget to wander.
all right, we'll catch you guys in the next video.
Bye!
Bye.